How to use a gas range. I'm going to be demonstrating on this 36-inch higher gas range. First, you want to determine which burner you want to light. In this case, I'm going to demonstrate on this front left burner. You can look at the little pictures. This is showing the front left. This is showing the rear left. This is showing the center. So to light the burner, you press the handle in, and you can see when that happens, there's a small spark that's trying to ignite gas. Now, just pressing it in doesn't actually release any gas. But if I press and turn, the gas starts. And there you have it, lighting a gas burner. To turn off, just turn to off. Now, there is a thermocouple on this unit, which means that an element needs to get hot to recognize that the gas is lit. And that's a safety mechanism to prevent the gas from just pouring into the house. You can hear now, gas is just running, and that's because the element is still hot. Let me try again. I think it just clicked off. Yeah. Now nothing is happening, and I can light it by just pressing in. The gas will flow, the spark will run, and it's hot. That's it. Be safe and enjoy your cooking.